Good evening, viewers. Welcome to today's edition of the news. Before going to the details, here's a glimpse of the headlines. Bills on One Nation, One Election sent to Joint Committee of Parliament. NDA and opposition MPs protest in Parliament over Ambedkar remarks. HINO demands immediate action on vacant posts in the MHO office. KHADC supports Mausanram ban on Hindu rituals at Maujimbun Cave. The news in detail. The Constitution 129th Amendment Bill 2024 and the Union Territories Laws Amendment Bill 2024 have been referred to a joint committee of Parliament for further review. The committee, comprising 27 Lok Sabha and 12 Rajya Sabha members, includes BJP leaders PP Chaudhary, Anurag Singh Thakur, Parshad Tambhai Rupala, Congress leaders Priyanka Gandhi and Manish Tiwari, TMC's Kalyan Banerjee and NCP's Supriya Sule, among others. The panel is tasked with submitting its report by the first day of the last week of the next Parliament session. NDA MP staged a protest in the Parliament House complex today, condemning the alleged disrespect shown to Dr. B.R. Ambedkar by Congress following an incident in which two BJP leaders were injured. Meanwhile, opposition MPs, including Leader of Opposition Mallikarjun Kharge, Congress MP Priyanka Gandhi Vadra and other India Alliance members also held a separate protest against Union Home Minister Amit Shah's purported remarks on Ambedkar.
हम चाह रहे हैं कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी के MPs माफी मांगे because they have not only insulted the democracy of the country, they have insulted Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar ji also, who is an idol for every citizen of the country.
The HINO Trap Integrated Territorial Organization HITO Southwest Cachar Hills District yesterday submitted a letter to the District Medical and Health Officer demanding that the office immediately inform the District Selection Committee about the 14 vacant posts within the DMHO Southwest Cachar Hills District. These positions include Grade 4 staff, drivers, chowkidars, ward boys, LDA and others. HITO President Paul Ternyang alleged that despite the vacancies, the office has been appointing temporary employees rather than notifying the DSC for recruitment. The organization warned of stern action if the delay continues.
Office DMHO katmu panjajlaj naga DSC. He can do mardor, but silver plat no mardor yakani, but lada pimley nakaring jui kung kasang ni paga kubor kalong ba pimley apo isitayo kasang kan bu daga jingeki hangne hakmat office jo DMHO pada hengkat in court in where kun sama thap kam thap jam jongkani kadong kathan jungi benin snok tilang benin wan banyaki hangne hakmat office DMHO.
The Cachar Hills Autonomous District Council today backed the decision of the Mausanram Darbar Snang to ban Hindu rituals in South Maujimbun Cave. In response to a discussion by UDP MDC Balajit Rani, KHADC CEM Pinyat Singh's aim confirmed that the matter is still pending before the Meghalaya High Court, which has instructed the East Cachar Hills Deputy Commissioner to form a committee to resolve the issue. SAME condemned the Kutumba Suraksha Parishad's KSP threat to disrupt road connectivity between Assam and Meghalaya unless the ban is lifted, calling it an act of contempt. Opposition leader Tito Starwell Khan also supported the Mausanram decision, stating that KSP's actions insult the Khasi indigenous community.
Regulation, so kami long serious. Kapag ihap ay perhatian, bagi siya lang, bagi nation lang ini jadi. Minum itang ada berbos lo mau sendiri. Minum itang kahima masalah. Ini yang semua bahan hot, ya baru kahima bagi dia yang terlilang. Nikmat ya baru kita nikmat, dia dari yang terlilang. Baru itu nurun saya malah. Kajak ni berapa? Ini benda yang terhilang halal ini. Maknanya jin benda masuk kalau kat insaf. Dari kecil ibadah yang kajak ni.
The Building Bylaws Department of the Cachar Hills Autonomous District Council has generated rupees 3.20 crore in revenue from building permissions issued within the council's jurisdiction between 2022 and 2024. During the council's winter session today, executive member in charge of building bylaws Deibor Patau informed the House that the time taken to issue building permissions depends on the timely submission of required documents by applicants. He also revealed that the KHADC has written to the PHE and MEECL to ensure water and electricity connections are provided only after occupancy certificates are issued by the council.
Nah, kita sponsor kebangi I building permission kebangi tabu pun sudah building bylaws kebangi apa dikena pada tidak apa ini orang di provinsi di Jogi kebangi depend tu yang ini pada lagu permission kerap bahkan lanjut nomor soal berdiri di parti jadi bagi hal instruction team mendetek traveling I permission mendetek kau kenal nomor berdua
The Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC released its first list of candidates for the KHADC and GHADC elections, with 15 candidates for KHADC and 11 for GHADC. MPCC President Vincent Pala said the second list pending finalization for constituencies with multiple applicants will be released by the first week of January 2025. Pala also criticized the UDP for withdrawing support from the KHADC alliance, accusing them of betraying the people, and emphasized Congress' roles in preventing administrators' rule and defending public welfare.
Setelah itu IP ba nilarai katuk aniki candidates kat sanut na po KHADC but katwe gun na GHADC kibatam min sele adien nama kidon ki sit kiba bun kiba apply ni hable work ni hab persang ban ka consensus na do block do district kata bang iklan la ban rai barok senrai dengan hable work.
Today, Jawai MLA Wailat Miki Shilla inaugurated the Mukaswan Combined Water Supply Scheme under the Jal Jeevan Mission, providing tap connections to 163 households in Mukaswan and 43 in Lat Minkse. The Rs 4.03 crore project, completed in August 2024, was executed by the Public Health Engineering Department. Shilla praised community involvement, highlighting that villagers contributed Rs 50 per household for the scheme's sustainability and urged them to maintain the project for long-term benefits.
Kali saya perhatikan orang ni dia tahu buk yo bu wo pai yang ni scheme dan everyone ni wan ijing tunai itu ini. Balai jo import nan pila yo senyal teri. Yo senyal teri mana yo paisa wo sai le ti yang pi pila lau di dengan era san hal ka tai lagi. Ngalai mau beli ile import tu mai yang na. Ile je tai pai. Ile tunai de. Mana every contribution yo everyday senyal teri.
A relief program was held yesterday by the Deputy Commissioner's Office in West Cachar Hills to assist families affected by the 5th November hailstorm. MLA and Muda Chairman Wailat Miki Shilla highlighted the government's commitment to helping victims with Rs 4,000 allocated per affected household based on damage assessments. Additionally, farmers whose crops were damaged will receive Rs 8,500 per hectare. The program covered 5 villages with 113 households identified for 8.
Untuk oyok untuk pat we pisu hajar ini meter matok angte madiok dah ngau man angte ngayong selal borak irak bun the boy di kur irak bun enrai kate man bukan dem ke guideline ke sorta bu ke man lai ni te dau ki gram server lai di chathau yo pi le survey gi kat won ke jinglut yo pi kate nei te dem hi ke sarkar ko bu ke dekat tu ke jinglut kate persen mira sarkar.
The Snok Tilang Village Organization VO, comprising 7 self-help groups from Nyang Barilom village Reib celebrated its 4th anniversary yesterday. The celebration was graced by Miralbon's Aim MLA of Nongpo as the chief guest, along with Sinrap Bor Walang, village council member, and Bilos Rempe, VO president. In his address, Aim praised the leadership and commitment of the VO, emphasizing unity and collaboration as key to the group's success in community service. The event reflected on the achievements of the past 4 years and reaffirmed the VO's dedication to fostering community development through mutual support and teamwork. The Reib Christmas Committee inaugurated its Christmas decorations in Nongpo town yesterday, with Nongpo MLA Miralbon's Aim officially launching the display. The event, attended by ADC MB Tongper, Village Secretary Anthony Suchiang, and Traffic in Charge Rubul Ali, included performances by local artists. MLA's Aim praised the committee's efforts, noting that the decorations enhance Nongpo's appeal as the gateway to Meghalaya for both locals and tourists. The HINO Demand Integrated Territorial Organization HITO Malarat Circle, in collaboration with village authorities and various government departments, organized a cleaning drive at Malarat Market today morning. The event was attended by WCD Toy, Secretary of VDP Malarat Village, Bitnam Nongset, President of HITO Malarat Circle, and MDC candidate Penkrau Kharjarin. Bitnam Nongset urged the people of Southwest Cachar Hills to prioritize cleanliness, especially in Malarat, a key marketplace in the region. And now for the weather report. First, let's take a look at the weather report in Tura. Minimum temperature recorded today is 12 degrees Celsius and maximum temperature 25 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in Tura is 55% and forecast dry weather is likely to occur at most places. Moving on to Shillong, minimum temperature was recorded at 6.1 degrees Celsius, while maximum temperature was recorded at 18.7 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity is 67%, and the forecast in Shillong is dry weather is likely to occur at most places. Meanwhile, in Jowai, minimum temperature recorded is 7 degrees Celsius and maximum temperature 19 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity is 36% and its forecast is dry weather is likely at most places. Before winding up this news bulletin, here's a short recap. Bills on One Nation, One Election sent to Joint Committee of Parliament. NDA and opposition MPs protest in Parliament over Ambedkar remarks. HITO demands immediate action on vacant posts in the MHO office. KHADC supports Mausan Ram ban on Hindu rituals at Maujambun Cave. And that's all we have for you today in this news bulletin. Until we meet again next time, thanks for watching. Good night.